Hello there, my name is RJ Agtarup and I'm a Filipino American who left my life in the US in order to learn more about my Filipino roots. Now my goal is to showcase the Philippines in the highest quality and give the most unique perspective. Hope you enjoyed this short reel of some places I've been able to capture so far. Let's go! It's been tough being able to move around the pandemic, and I'm sure people have their own opinions about it. Pero the Philippines thrive off of tourism, and I believe that the Philippines needs it now more than ever to be showcased and appreciated. Tourism will boom when it's ready, and I'm taking it upon myself to show the Philippines in the best way possible. Thanks guys, peace.